Hi, this is Blake Davenport with the Davenport Group and Arla Real Estate here in Arlington, Virginia. Today we're reviewing the Arlington housing market and 5 things you need to know. When we look back over the last 12 months, the average sales price in Arlington has increased by 4.2% to $791,000. In November of 2020, the average sales price was $759,000. During the month of November, the average sold to list price ratio was 97.8%. So that means that everything on average was selling 2.2% less than the sales price. When we look back over the last 12 months, the average sold to list price ratio was 128.2%. So an astounding 28% above the list price, which goes to show you how strong the market was over the last 12 months. If we look back at the last normal market that we had in 2019, the average sold to list price ratio was 99.5%. So basically everything was selling for the list price. We expect to go back to that in 2023. So as a seller, it's going to be another strong year where we expect prices to rise in 2022. During the month of November, we saw 211 houses listed for an average sales price of $805,000. We also saw 289 houses sell with an average sales price of $791,000. Just to put things in perspective, we saw 367 houses listed in October of 2021. So the number of houses listed in November was down 43%, which is again on trend. Things tend to slow down around the holidays. For the homes that closed in November, we saw a median days on market of 17. Over the last 12 months, the median days on market was 10. So things are definitely taking longer to sell than they were over the last 12 months. So what does all this mean? Well, the market has definitely slowed down over the last month, which is typical for this time of year. Don't let that fool you. 2022, in my opinion, is going to be another strong year with interest rates staying low. Don't be surprised that from January till June, the prices are going to continue to rise like they typically do every springtime. It should be a feeding frenzy at the beginning of January and February and March, and then kind of cool down as prices have already escalated. We also are seeing that interest rates are projected to go close to 4% towards the end of next year. I personally think when interest rates hit 4%, that's when the market will kind of really plateau. But really, it should be another strong year for the real estate market in this area. So if you're thinking about buying or selling in 2022, sellers, we'd love to sit down with you. The last 12 months have yielded 28% more than the list price. I'm projecting another very strong next 6 months, so it's going to be a great time to sell one of your largest assets. If you're a buyer, we'd love to sit down with you as well. We're going to be expecting a lot of multiple offers as we approach the spring market. So there's a lot of different tactics that we can help you stand out in the competition and also look for properties off market. If you'd like to contact us, you can contact us via the link below, which will take you to our website, or you can email me at blake@thedavenportgroup.re.com. Bye-bye.